Locked out of your MetaMask and feeling the panic? Don't worry, we're diving into a step-by-step guide to get you back in control of your crypto. First, the most common method using your secret recovery phrase. This is your lifeline. When setting up MetaMask, you should have received a 12RD phrase located, ensuring it's the correct phrase for the wallet you're trying to recover. On a new device, or after reinstalling MetaMask, select Import using secret recovery phrase. Carefully enter each of the 12 words, ensuring correct spelling and order. Then, create a new strong password for your wallet. If the phrase doesn't work, double-check for typos, extra spaces, or incorrect capitalization. Also, ensure you're connected to the correct network. Euro Ethereum mainnet is usually the default. If you're still facing problems, try updating your MetaMask extension or browser. For individual accounts, you can export a private key. This is different from the secret recovery phrase and recovers only one specific account. Access this through the account details in MetaMask, but be extremely careful with your private key. Never share it if the issue is with the network. Verify the network settings are correct. Remember, security is paramount. Never enter your secret recovery phrase on a website or share it with anyone claiming to be support. If you need further assistance, consult the official MetaMask support channels. With these steps, you're well equipped to recover your MetaMask wallet and protect your crypto assets.